So now we're talking about the Rode WS2 microphone pop filter windscreen. So it's the one I'm talking into right now. It's this black thing on the end of this microphone. So why are we talking about that? So many microphones out there come with big hunkin' pop filters, like big circle ones that like cover up your face and like clamp onto the arm of a boom arm and then go in front of your face to prevent pops. If you have a broadcaster style microphone, this windscreen does the same thing essentially, but is much smaller, lower profile, and doesn't get all up in your business. I cannot stand having a giant pop filter in front of my face. That's just me. You see how low profile this is? Imagine having a big piece of metal in front of your face like this, like the whole time you're talking. It's super uncomfortable to have a big old pop filter in front of you. Instead, you should consider a windscreen instead, and the WS2 Microphone Pop Filter from Rode is my favorite one. I've actually got two of these. I've got another one of them right here on my other Rode Procaster microphone that I've been using for years, and I love them. I use them instead of pop filters on my microphones. And so why would you consider that? Why do you want to do that? It makes a difference. So for example, in my space right now, I've got a fan blowing up at my microphone right now. You guys don't hear any of that wind noise, do you? So check it out. This is my microphone right here, and I've got this fan right below shooting air up at my microphone right now. You don't hear any of that wind, right? So it eliminates wind, it eliminates air movement. If you had a ceiling fan, notice how I have a ceiling fan up here. If you guys have a ceiling fan in your space and you're looking to, run that ceiling fan, but you don't want that air picked up through your microphone, getting a windscreen pop filter like the Rode WS2 can help with that. And obviously using this pop filter, outside. If you're going to have it outside, you can do that as well. But another reason you want to use it is you can get very, very close to the microphone without any pops. As you can see, I'm extremely close to this microphone. Like I am like an inch away. And so with dynamic microphones, you want to get very close to maximize your audio quality with that mic. And being an inch away, sometimes you're going to pop, sometimes you're going to bleh, and you're going to make sounds, or you're going to breathe. Your nose is going to... people don't want to hear that. People don't want to hear those sounds. This windscreen helps eliminate those gross breathing sounds and those pops in the microphone to make the audio better. Let me just show you what it sounds like with it off. So this is the way it sounds with this windscreen off. As you can hear, it's basically the same. The windscreen maybe muffles like a little bit of the high end of the audio. It maybe muffles a little bit of the mid end of the audio, just a little. I don't know. You tell me if you can hear a difference between the two. It's like 95% the same with this on versus not having it on. And it eliminates those pops, eliminates those wind noise, eliminates those weird breathing sounds that are coming out of your nose, and just gives you a higher quality audio experience. My top recommended accessory for windscreens, just across the board.